Hi everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing wonderful. Today we are doing a kind of a grungy look, and it's more like a nude colors than I typically go for, but I wanted to do something warm toned for my red hair to see what it looked like, and I really love the way this turned out. So I'm just priming my lids with my Plouise base like I always do, my favorite base in the whole world. And then I'm going in with this Cosmetics Rustic palette. This palette is stunning. The colors are just really gorgeous. So I used about 4 of the matte shades, 1 of the shimmer shades, and I just went in with the darkest color first on the outer part of my eye and started really building that up and smoking it out into kind of like a V shape or a pointed shape. And then I went in with like the mustardy, the darker mustardy kind of yellowish tan color, I don't really know. And I just started packing that on top of that dark brown and also on my lid there a little bit and smoking it out. And then I did decide to go in with like a medium brown color to blend the dark and the mustard together and also start blending it upwards towards my eyebrow and out towards my temple. And then I took the lightest mustard shade in the palette and really started smoking it out a lot. I then went back in and did the dark brown again, did the chocolatey brown, did the dark mustard again, and really just kept going back and forth until I felt happy with how much color and pigment was built up. Melt Cosmetics are pigments. They're not necessarily eyeshadows, they're more pressed pigments. So they work a little bit different than eyeshadows. I like to pack everything down, which I do with any shadow formula, but I like to pack stuff down, especially with pigments, and then go in and keep building up and going back and forth with building the colors up and blending them out. I put a shimmery shade on my lid, and now I'm using my Makeup a Murder Forensic Evidence liquid liner on my lid, just putting a little bit there on my lash line and then blending that dark brown into the liner and smoking it out. I did my complexion, and now I'm going in with this Colourpop blush, which I love. It's part of their Valentine's Day collection. Such a pretty color, such a light, like a very light, nice nude blush. And I'm going in with the new Anastasia highlighter. It's called Iced Out. I sprayed my face with my setting spray first because this highlighter is very dry for some reason. I really want to like it, but something about it is just really dry and really powdery. So I kind of wanted to dampen my face first and then go in with the highlight. And then I take my Anti-Precision liner from KVD Vegan Beauty, and I put that on my lower lash line to give me a very smoky look. I'm just going to go ahead and smoke it out with my brush without any product on it, and then I'm going to go in and add the dark brown, the chocolate brown, and the darker mustard shade to make sure this black is really nice and blended. I blend it into the liner on the upper lash line and then just start smoking it down a little bit. I then highlight my brow bone with that Anastasia Iced Out highlighter. I also do my inner corner and kind of bring it up into my crease just a little bit, the highlight. I also wet the brush before applying this into my inner corner. Taking my liquid liner, I'm just doing my inner corner point that I always do. It's my favorite thing to do for my eye shape. It just makes me feel really sexy. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with these Tati lashes. They are a faux mink pair. I'm putting my lash glue down first, which I love the Tarte lash glue. I use black. If you're new at putting lashes on, I do recommend using clear because black can get really messy. I put the lash glue on my lash line and on my lashes, pop those bad boys on, tight line my upper lash line, and then go ahead and start putting my lip liner on. I am using my Plouise one. And then I go in with my Anastasia liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna pop this baby on. But that's it for this look, guys. I really hope you enjoy this. This is definitely more of a neutral color scheme. It's still a dramatic look, but the colors are not as dramatic as I typically go for. I popped in some cute gold cross earrings too. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I'm really trying to put some new stuff out there for you guys, but please let me know what you want to see down below. I am filming lots of new stuff. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.